everybody. This is your daily real estate practice exam question, and I love this one. This was from a Facebook group, and I'm going to go through it because we were confused. There was two answers that we were going between, and let's talk about the question first. Let's jump right into it. So it reads: At a cocktail party, Henry meets a man looking to buy a windmill. Henry has a friend who is looking to sell his windmill, and Henry wants to broker the deal. Okay? To collect a commission, Henry needs A. So here's exactly where people are getting tripped up. Is a windmill real estate? Hey, that right there is the key to this entire question. Is a windmill real estate? So let's do this. I actually defined real estate right down here, right? Okay. I defined it as real estate is the land and any man-made improvements and attachments to the land. Okay. So land is the earth's surface, the air rights, subsurface rights, surface rights, and any natural attachments to that land. Okay. And then real estate is considered to be the land, everything that I just explained there, plus man-made attachments or improvements to that land. So we're trying to assess, is a windmill part of real estate? In my opinion, every windmill that I've ever seen looks, walks, talks, quacks like real estate. I mean, unless it's a windmill that you could put in your pocket and is movable, it has some sort of attachment to the land. Again, every one that I have ever seen, I would classify that as real estate. So let's look at the answers. A business broker's license? No. B, a real estate broker's license? Yep, that's probably it because they're going to have something of valuable consideration. Here's the thing. People were getting caught up on, they were trying to decide, oh, there's a commission involved. So commission's only for, no, a business broker could receive a commission. A mortgage broker could receive a commission. So we're going to cross mortgage broker out. So really what people were trying to figure out was they weren't getting to the crux of it. And the crux of it really is the windmill real estate? And again, close my eyes, picture a windmill. Every single windmill that I could possibly think of is something that looks like a man-made improvement or attachment to the land. So that classifies as real estate. So the answer that D, no license, is since this is a private arrangement outside of Henry's usual business duties. No, because here's the thing. It would, if this wasn't real estate, the reasoning wouldn't be because it's an arrangement outside of Henry's usual business duties, because that has no difference between whether or not you need a license or not, right? So in this situation, really the question comes down to, is a windmill real estate? Again, close my eyes, every single windmill I picture when I see the definition of windmill is definitely real estate. You need a real estate broker's license to collect anything of valuable consideration. Guys, that's it. Hope you like this one. Have a great one. I'll see you tomorrow.